Oliver, and today I'm going to be showing you this 1960s Westinghouse box fan. This fan has 2 speeds. Alright, so now I'm going to turn the fan on for you guys. Now this switch is a little different from a normal box fan switch. Off is in the middle, and then if you turn it to the right, it's low, and then it's off, and high is at the left. So if you want to switch speeds, you have to turn the fan off first. We'll start on high speed. As you can see, it's not that loud. A lot of air. There is a slight rattle, and that is the gauge vibrator. Speed's actually very quiet. It's a very smooth running fan. And boy, it really moves a lot of air. This thing is a powerhouse. Yeah, I always like these metal plated box fans because they can really move a lot of air. I've been searching for a Westinghouse one for a while, and I finally found one in IKEA. Alright, so now I'll give you guys a reason to get it. So yeah, got a pretty good spin down on it. So there you have it, my 1960s Westinghouse box fan. If you liked the video, please like and subscribe, and thanks for watching.